My name is Jim McLaren. Today is Thursday, November 9th, 2017. Today we're going to get another look at the hand crimping pliers here from Hilitchi. And I did a review of it, but I missed a few things here. And on the back of the pliers, the actual model number is HS30J. I got these off Amazon for $26.99. They are trading now for around $77.99. That's Canadian price. I don't know why the big increase. They're very comfortable in the hands. They're very sturdy, and they're good heavy pliers. I've used them already. They work very good. Now, some of the things I missed the last time on these color codes here. There's actually numbers on here, so you see the color codes here. I'll shine the light on here. You see 1.0, 2.5. and 6, and I drew it here for you. So actually in the pliers 1.0, 2.5, and 6, and on the back of the pliers the same thing. They've got the codes written on here, and you've got 18 to 22 here, 18 to 22, 14 to 16, and 10 to 12. Now these pliers, it's got colors written on here, and there's the model number on here, and there's your tension adjustment right here. Loosen that screw, using tension. Here's the release mechanism here. You can hear it clicking. Now these pliers work very nice. I've used them already, and today we're going to put them on 14 wire here. I've already done 2 crimps already on this. See the crimp here and the crimp here. I'm just going to show you the actual crimping today. Now on Amazon, the actual site they show you, and it's going to go in the blue one here. The actual site they show you go in the back of the pliers. You're clicking there. Does a nice job. Makes a very nice crimp. And the jaws on this only crimps once. Only one jaw. You can see inside here the jaws. There's only one crimp. The Titans actually have 2 jaws that makes 2 crimps. These is only one set of jaws. They're nice inside here. So I'd highly recommend this Hilitchi. It's got colors written on here. And the model number is HS30J. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers in the last couple of days. If you're watching for this video for the first time today, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Again, these are your Hilitchi crimping pliers. Thank you again for listening, and please leave your comments. I'd like to see some of the comments. Please leave them. Thank you again. Have a good day.